What's up, everybody? We're back. We got a special surprise. Our surprise is Spring Trap Head. Oh, okay, never mind. It's not a surprise. The surprise is this right here. My security puppet with the thing on the back, and my marionette. Now, it's really cool. Yeah, so I will be showing you them. So, the first one, I'm going to put the phone right there. But the first one is a marionette. So, I'll show you. I gotta stand up on this. Crap. Alright. Just get that through there. And, yeah, so this one's a marionette. It can do all kinds of stuff. Like, I mean, a lot of stuff. I made a lot. Move its hands and everything. It's made out of Mountain Dew, cardboard. I'm actually working on my nightmare marionette. I can show you that right now. So here it is so far. I got the head, and I got the body and the arm. And as you can see on here, I made a little rip there, and dent. And yeah, Spring Trap. He doesn't have a human in because his body's outside. Just like bringing that in. And, alright. But yeah, this one's painted as a cross on top. That doesn't do well. Actually does a lot, but you know. Okay, so it has a lot of buttons. Look at the legs. Those are cool. The hand. But I'm gonna give it a makeover, and I'm gonna actually give it a whatchamacallit. Not that small, but alright, let's go over the next one. Now, the next one is not supposed to, this one ain't supposed to marry Lefty. It's supposed to marry Golden Freddy. This one's supposed to have Lefty in it. Surprise! It has Lefty in it. Not a great job of it, but it still has some muzzle. Yeah, it could fit in there. It has the blue tears, and it has the thing on the back. It has the stripes on the body. I haven't painted this one yet. It has the fingers that are big. Not small. Well, this one's kind of small. But then we have the waist right here. It goes down like that. Then it has the legs. I like them because they're like curved different ways. Like all the cartoons see eyes. But oh crap. Alright. So how do you know that this one is has Lefty in it? Here, I'll show you. Alright, this ain't the right one, but this will be it, but not the right one, because this is regular Puppit, not security Puppit. And, yeah, it has her in it. But, yeah, this is actually supposed to be security Puppit inside of her. But, I mean, inside of him. But, yeah, so, you fine? Yeah, this one has a smile that opens. I will do a video of how to make your own security puppet. And I'll show you how to make the inside. I know what I'm going to do. Alright, so I made this marionette yesterday, and I added the strings today, and I painted today. This is meant to go in here. Oh gosh, no, it's not, but it could. Maybe not, but actually yesterday we did our Easter egg hunt, and I was hoping there would be one inside my animatronic, and I checked in here and it didn't do anything. And then, like, 10 minutes later, I found it in an ear. Like, bruh. Yeah, thanks for watching my video. Bye!